Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and connect your Google Merchant Center to your Shopify store. Firstly, you need to have a Google Merchant Center account set up. And also in the back end of your Shopify store, it's best to use the Google and YouTube app to be able to make these connections simple and fast. Now, there's plenty of other methodologies on how to connect these two together, which I'll show you in future videos, but for the sake of speed, this is how we're doing it today. As I scroll down in the Google and YouTube app, you will notice that I'm currently grayed out for connecting the Google Merchant Center account together. Reason being is because we need to add a refund policy in the terms of service and to confirm the contact details to the online store. So how do we do that? Just click this open and essentially the return policy, you just want to turn that on. Okay, great. And you can just create from the templates for each one of these boxes for writing your refund policy if you've already added it to your website. So create template, real quick, template, create template, and lastly, create template. Then just save those details, and then come back to the Google and YouTube app setup. Also, then confirm your contact information, which has done that. And there you go, ungrayed out. Now to creating your Google Merchant Center account. First thing is to click sign up for free. So if you haven't set up your Google Merchant Center account, you come to this We're Sorry page. Just ensure that you pick the correct email account that you would like to sign up with, and then select sign up and start walking through and answering the questions about your business to Google. Yes, we do sell products online. So web address. No, we're not bricks and mortar. And just scroll down to continue merchant center, business name, cheap camping gear, say the US, then click continue to merchant center. Coming back real quick to the Google and YouTube app. I have connected our manager account email to the back end of our store in the Google and YouTube app. Because we've got multiple merchant centers that we run for our clients connected to this email account, I'll set up a fresh merchant center account here, which I'll give our manager account permission to. So come to tools and settings, people and access, add a user, drop in the email, and I'll make sure that this user has admin permission and also check every single box here within the email notifications, select add user. So the invitation is pending. So I'll quickly go and accept that in my email. And now it's verified. So then I'll be able to come back to the back end of my Shopify store, hit refresh, because we'll have multiple options on that drop down to connect the Google Merchant Center to. So we'll connect the correct Google Merchant Center account and click connect. Now, if you're going to use the Google and YouTube app, in order to have the Merchant Center crawl through the site to create a product feed, it's important to verify who you are. And there's a few steps you have to work through in the back of the Google and YouTube app in order for them to show, whether it be Google Shopping, search, images, etc., whether it be free listings or your Google ads. Now I'll just quickly work through this verification process. You have to add your phone numbers and select get code in order to get a 6-digit code to make the verification. Hit verify, and for your product settings, select the target and language, US and English for me there, and shipping settings. For now, we'll just select automatically import shipping information. You may want to do it manually if you have a complex shipping information. Conversion tracking is on, leave that on for now. Check that you've read the terms and service, hit complete setup. Although that's all connected, we still have to go over to the Google Merchant Center and verify the account there. I'll head back over there in a moment. But you'll see over the next couple of days, once you've got the verifications done, these should start populating, whether it be approved, pending, or not approved. It usually takes between 3 to 5 business days. And then you can start running ads, free listings, etc., from your Google Merchant Center. Coming back to the dashboard of the Merchant Center, we can see you can easily verify your number from the overview. So let's do that now. Okay, interesting. It says that it's already been verified. All I've done it once. So I'll just hit continue, come back into the back end of Shopify, hit refresh and see if that does anything different. And so we're still coming up with a glitch saying that it's not verified. But if I come into the Merchant Center, it says that it is verified. Maybe just a matter of coming back in a few hours later to check if everything is still working okay. Because it says it may take up to an hour to get your products to sync to the Google Merchant Center. That being the case, if there's still issues, just work through it, go to the settings and whatnot here and just double check that it's all connected and all working. We have verified that it is us. If not, just try again, which I will do real quick. Okay, it says we're verified again. All right, I'll hit refresh just in case. All right, and although it keeps sending me around in circles, I'll come back and check on this later, see if it is working or not. I believe it's just a matter of time for those two properties to be able to sync together properly. But if it is anything else besides what we're seeing today, I'll put it in the show notes below and how I actually got it fixed. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next.